Welcome to the Corpus Christi Public Libraries Crafters Corner.
The supplies you'll need are a pencil, paintbrush, some water, of course, and markers. And of course you're going to need some watercolor paper. This is an expensive one from Hobby Lobby, but it works really well. The paper does not curl up on you when you're done with it. But this one works just as well. It's just a paint pad that I got from Walmart. Cardstock paper also works really well, but that paper does curl up on you when you're done. To show you this technique, I'm just going to do an easy abstract painting. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace out water cup here just a few times, just so you can see how this is done. So to begin, I've made a little design on my paper using some pencil, and now I'm going to trace out the circles in marker. Now I want my lines with my marker nice and dark. They do not have to be perfectly matched with it. The reason I want it nice and dark is because the ink from the marker is what we're using to color our image. So even if it's not perfect, that's not a problem. Even if you make a few little marks on the inside, most of those will disappear with the water. So I'll dip my brush in. I'm going to squeeze out a little bit of the water. I don't want too much. As you can see, once I put it on those marks, they pretty much go away. So I'm going to squeeze out a lot of water on the edges here and just push that water around. And I'm done with this first circle. And I'll just keep doing this, just picking a color and tracing out my little circles. Now I do have to be careful, especially once I get to edges like this, because I might pull out the color from the other side. I don't want my colors to bleed too much. Let's say, for instance, I put too much water. That's not a problem. I can always just get a piece of paper towel and dry it up. And I'll just keep going just like that until it's done. So one thing you can do when you're done with your painting is you can always redraw on it with the marker. It just gives it another little extra look. If you don't want to do simple shapes like that, you can just kind of doodle any little shape, give it a little fun abstract. Here are some more examples where I did a couple of different types of abstract paintings, some flowers, some fruit. Of course, you can have a lot of fun with abstract and end up creating a whole new thing. Here's a llama that my cousin did. She decided to practice with me, so I decided I had to show her her picture. So that is how you do a watercolor painting using markers. It's a fun and easy craft. As I've said before, any age group can do it, any skill level can do it. So just go out, have fun, and be creative. Thank you for watching, and join us next time on Crafters Corner.